Hi. This is what I've been saying. That's right. All over the place. So first, I went to an appointment at 9:30. So I was up by 8 and out of the house by 10 past. No. Then I was at the appointment again at 11:30, but I came out of my first one at 10 past 10. So I had to go around town for a bit, and I have to say it was quite boring. But then at last, something good came out of all this boring stuff. Well, I went somewhere else at 2 o'clock, and I was there till about 20 to 4, and it was brilliant. I got a new book, so I can read that, and I had a nice little chat with everyone there, and it's really cool, yeah. So hope you're all okay, and I'll see you tomorrow.